Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove the front door panel on a Honda Odyssey. The first thing we're going to do is we need to remove this cap right here. So take a real small flathead screwdriver, and there's a little groove on the top we need to pry in on and then push down on it. And you can see right there, that's the little tab that I put the screwdriver on and push down on. And then in behind there is two Phillips screws that need to come out. And then you want to pop out this cap right here with, again, using the small flathead. And right there is a little groove to pry in on. And underneath there is one Phillips screw. And then on top of the door panel here, take both hands and pull out on it. And then go to the other side of the top and pull out on that also. And then you just want to work your way around the sides and pop the rest of the door panel loose. And then remove the interior door handle by just pulling out on the back side of it and then just wiggling it the front loose. And then we need to unplug this wiring harness by pushing on the tab in the back and pulling out on it. And that's it, guys. Door panel's off. Thanks for watching.